guys, it's Darren over here at Unlimited RV, your KCRV guy. We just got in the 27RK, which stands for Rear Kitchen Wildwood, and they've just came out with something really cool. They used to be just a metal sided. They have actually upgraded to fiberglass siding for free, no extra charge. Comes with an outdoor kitchen, which is really super cool. And one thing that we always order them in with the Pumas, but actually the Wildwood now comes standard with the tankless suburban hot water heater. That means endless hot showers for you guys. That's a big deal. And also it has power jacks all the way around, front and back and side. Come on in and check it out. This rear kitchen is really cool. Real quick before we go in, the speakers are down low so you're not blasting out your neighbors. You also got the big awning. You get campside. You can play the music, play some Led Zeppelin, rock and roll, whatever you want to do. Super, super cool. Come on inside. You're really going to like the floor plan here. Comes standard with the fireplace, reclining chairs. The big thing I like about this is the rear kitchen. You don't see a rear kitchen in a lot of the models, so you have tons of extra cabinet space for your cooktop. You have a place to put your coffee. Got a small oven here to do chocolate chip cookies or something like that. You also have a nice little pantry area, and then you have your Furrion, almost full size. I believe this is around 11 or 12 cubic feet refrigerator, so it's a really super nice one. It also comes with a what we call the Versa Lounge, so you can turn this into a couple different things. Another really cool thing I really like about the Wildwoods is they come with some extra storage underneath. So you have totes and all kinds of cool things that you could store. This turns into a bed. That also turns into a bed. So your traditional bunkhouse that you'd have, you don't have to worry about if you have some kids and family. Really super cool. And also with the Thomas Paine furniture with the recliners. Come on back to the back. Obviously they have a nice little bathroom here with a foot flush toilet, nice sink as well. But they just came up with a really cool concept with the bedrooms, and they come with a king bed now. Its corners are cut, but you also have a it's customizable, so you can actually come back and forth with it. But it's at the king size, the 66 by 78 with the Versa Tilt is what this is called. So super awesome, super cool. Come on over here to Unlimited RV, home of the lifetime warranty. You'll be glad you did.